Physics 3 and presentation is presented by APPSER. Now we move towards our question. The first question is that the adaptation of a plant to changed climate to a new climate is called as diversification, introduction, acclimatization, competition, and the correct one is acclimatization. Type of infertility due to the failure of plants with normal pollens and abuse of set seeds due to some physiological hindrance that prevents fertilization is called pseudogamy, sterility, incompatibility, or parthenogenesis. The correct one is the incompatibility. A good tester should possess broader genetic base, wider adaptability, low yield potential, all of these, and the correct one is all of these. It means that a good tester should possess the broad genetic base, wider adaptability, and low yield potential. According to the second law of inheritance, members of all gene pairs assort dash and form all possible combinations. Assort randomly, assort frequently, assort independently, or assort simultaneously. And the correct one is assort randomly. The next question is that the individual having genotypes capital T small d, capital A small a is known as monohybrid, dihybrid, homologous, or true breeding. And the correct one is a dihybrid. The plant's Anthera was studied extensively by Gardner, Andrew Knight, Harvard, De Vries, and the correct one is a De Vries. The type of gametes produced by the genotype capital P, small p, capital R, small r will be 8, 6, 4, or 2, and the correct one is a 4. The types of combinations produced by cross heterozygous and homozygous will be 10, 12, 8, or 16, and the correct one is a 8. It means that the type of combination produced crosses in that cases produce 8 combinations. A progeny descending solely by self-pollination from a single homozygous plant is known as hybrid, multi-line, pure line, or none of these. And the correct one is a pure line. Means if a progeny descends solely by self-pollination from a single, in case of single homozygous plants, the line is known as pure line. In pedigree selection after hybridization, the selection for the plant is started in F1, F2, F4, or F5, and the correct one is the F2. It means in pedigree selection, the selection is done during F2 generation for the selection